Let's move on to this story now. Court proceedings in the Joshlin Smith kidnapping trial have wrapped up for the day. One of the accused, Kelly Smith, was absent due to ill health. But the court continued to hear testimony on whether or not alleged confessions by the other two accused, Jacquen Appollis and Steveno from Rhyn, can be admitted. Our reporter Nasiphi Same attended the proceedings and joins us now for a rep, Nasiphi, of how things went today and where to next for this trial.
Well, today, Vuyo, what I'll say is that Judge Nathan Erasmus also ruled on the terminology that witnesses can use, whether or not the video footage and the statements that have been submitted to court as evidence can be referred to as confessions. And Judge Erasmus said that the witnesses should rather err on the side of caution and refer to those video footage and statements as rather statements and videos, as he has not ruled on the fact that those particular videos are confessions that can then be admissible to be used as evidence in the main trial, looking into the disappearance of Joshlin. And what is currently, or rather the proceedings of today, was looking at that particular video, two videos in particular, one that was taken on the 5th of March with Detective Captain Clark, who said that he didn't finish taking the statement from accused to Steveno van Rhyn because at the time he had indicated that he was hungry and also he had to take pills, going as far as saying that he was also privy to a J88 form which is used, or rather that they receive as law enforcement officers from medical doctors that observe or examine the accused. And he was saying that it's standard procedure that they do take the accused before they make these statements to the hospital or to be examined by doctors. That is before and after they've given their statements.
And Nasiphi, where does the trial go next?
Well, tomorrow we continue with the trial within a trial, looking at the admissibility of these statements, physical statements, including the video footage that the court now has to decide whether or not they are admissible to be admitted as evidence into the main trial. So tomorrow we can expect Detective Captain Sequoy to continue playing that video for us, where he had that interview with accused to Steveno van Rhyn, and also the contents of the statement that he submitted as evidence, or rather the state submitted as evidence, based on the interaction or the conversation that they had. But Judge Nathan Erasmus also cautioned the state, because we had a lot of technical challenges today, particularly with the sound, as during the course of the day we also had the testimony of Dr. Hendrik Nel, who was the one that saw Steveno van Rhyn on that particular day and submitted that J88, where he noted a number of injuries. However, with that being said, having asked him how he sustained some of those injuries, Steveno van Rhyn told the doctor that he fell off a bakkie about a month prior his interviews and also ultimately his arrest.
Nasiphi Same with that update on how things went today in what is currently still a trial within a trial.